New graphic novels and trade paperbacks this week include Dungeons & Dragons Classics, Justice, Dark Axis, Caricature, Elric, Battle Scars, Deathlock, Marvel Team-Ups, Superior, Transformers, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Seven Soldiers of Victory, Orc-Strain, Mr. Terrific, The Boys, Ultimate Spider-Man, Daredevil, Carnage USA, Avenging Spider-Man, Batwoman, Amazing Spider-Man, Essential Amazing Spider-Man, Birds of Prey, Dark Tower the Gunslinger, Cloak and Dagger, The Amazing Spider-Man graphic novels, and Spider-Man Perceptions. New this week staff pick, Spider-Man, The Massive. New this week spotlight, Kiss and Silk Spectre Before Watchmen. And new this week bestseller, Batman and Deadpool. New Eagle Moss LED figures this week, Arachnid and Batgirl chest figure. New statue this week, Kotobukiya, Captain America. Miss Marvel bust, Black and White Batman, New 52 design. New t-shirts this week include Green Lantern logo, Finn versus the Ice King, and New 52 Batgirl. New action figure this week, The Amazing Spider-Man movie version Marvel Select. New in gaming this week, The Dark Knight Rises, HeroClix 6-figure starter set, and booster packs. New role-playing games this week, Dungeon Crawl Classics, The People of the Pit, and Sailors of the Starless Sea. New this week in gaming, Monster Chase, Uncharted the board game, Kingdom Builder, Divinaire, Dixie, and Donkey. New Battletech miniatures, Grasshopper, and Blood Reaper mechs.